Now in this session we are going to see how to select both rows as well as their column, right? Let's suppose if there is a customer data frame already we have. If I want to click a preview, right, so it shows that this is a customer data frame. Let's suppose if I want to select the rows from 0 to 4 and the index from customer ID to income. How can I do this? For that, I need to do customers dot iloc, and in the same column I need to pass from row 0 to 4, 5, comma, and the column from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, right? It means 4. Okay, when you hit, you will get the same output from 0 to 4 rows, and the column customer ID, gender, age, income. So it works like this. So this image will help you to understand. The first start stop step will represent the rows. After that it is a comma, and after that it select the column. I have used here start and stop, but I didn't use the steps. If you want to add step like colon 2, and here as well colon 2, when you print you will see 0 to 4, means it skip the alternative rows as well as it skip the alternative column as well. If you do this, you will see every column from 0 to 4, but in rows from 0 to 5 it skip 1 and 3. I hope it makes sense how this iloc function work when selecting the both rows as well as the column. Let's suppose if I want to do something like this, customers dot iloc, and here I pass 0 colon 5, and here I pass from like gender to something like income. Now we are going to check whether this works or not. Oh, it shows some error. I think these things iloc didn't work like this. Okay, so it shows an error. Why? Because iloc always work with the integer variable. When you see cannot proportional indexing on index with 3 indexes, gender of type string, it means iloc only work with the integer value. If I do the lock, then it shows the correct result. So when the given index is integer, in that scenario you can use the iloc function, and if it is string or something else, in that situation you can use the lock function. So in iloc it shows error, but when I do the lock function it shows it works correctly, right? So I hope you understand what I explain you, how to select the multiple rows and columns at once with the help of iloc function and with the help of lock function as well. Let's suppose if it is 0, you can just omit 0 as well. It shows the same result. If you omit 0, it shows the same result, because if you write 0 or you didn't write anything, it means the same. So if I want to ask you, can you print the entire data frame with the help of iloc function, then how you print? You just need to do this. When you do this, it means from 0 to n means all rows and all columns. When you type, you will get the entire data frame, right? But if you want a data frame something like all the rows, but from column start from 0 and till 4, then it shows all the rows but column start from 0, that is customer ID 1 2 3. Okay, I hope you understand how this works. Okay, thank you.